Do you find yourself staring at the words "can't connect to server" when you're trying to join a Minecraft server? Frustration is real, but before you give up on your Minecraft adventures, let's troubleshoot some common causes. Start with the simple things. First, is your Minecraft version up to date? Ensure your game version matches the servers. A mismatch means you won't connect. Fire up the launcher. Next, double check server status. The server might be offline. Check the server's website or use a server status tracker. This can save you a lot of wasted time. Now, think your firewall. Your firewall could be the culprit. Make sure Minecraft is allowed through your firewall settings. You may need to add an exception for both incoming and outgoing connections. Dealing with internet issues. Reset your router and modem. Sometimes works if other devices are experiencing problems. Your home connection is the problem. If all seems well, try again later. By methodically checking these possible problems, you will hopefully resolve your connectivity troubles. Start building. Thanks for joining.